This is a micro aperture glossimeter NHG60M. The measuring button, press it for 3 seconds to turn it on. First, we do calibration. Calibration finished. It's ready for measuring. This is the test result. Okay, let's check the manual interface. Data. You can check records, delete records. Mode. 3 memory modes: basic mode, statistical mode, and continuous mode. Parameter. You can set the parameter of the memory modes. Average. The average measurement settings. USB COM for connecting with the computer. Tolerance. You can set the tolerance here. Calibrate. Do calibration here, and if you need to change the calibration board, do the settings here. Settings. These are the general system settings. Okay, that's all.